So today I'll show you how to connect a USB microphone to your Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. Now, if you want to use the external microphone to record something, then you do need an adapter because most USB microphones are going to be Type A. If you're lucky enough to get a USB microphone with a Type C connector, then you can just plug it in straight to the Type C port of your tablet. If you have one like this, then you'll need an OTG adapter. And so you just connect the microphone to the adapter and then the adapter with the microphone to the tablet. Simple as that. Okay. And once you connect like that, you're good to go. Now you can open any app, whether it's the video recording app or or even the voice memos app. And by voice memo, I mean the voice recorder app. And you can see it says external mic will be used. So the external mic is plug and play. As soon as you plug it in, it's ready to go. And when you start recording, it's going to record using that microphone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.